I am the maintenance shop lead of the maintenance department. I keep inventory of all the parts that the technicians might need on a daily basis, but if they need something that's quick and accessible, I do that. Safety equipment, safety apparel, keep the technicians rolling.
Maintenance is Lonnie.
We have every department in the maintenance staff: plumbers, electricians, HVAC, painters, carpenters, our HVAC guys. They are one of the busiest departments there is. 24/7, it's either heat or cool. They're on the roofs constantly. The electricians the same way. There's constant light changes and changes in classrooms and offices that have to be rewired, rearranged. The plumbers, everything has to have a toilet and hand wash sinks to make anything work in an institution like this. Our whole job is supporting the safety and environment of the teachers and the students. I mean, obviously, schools are for learning, and it is vital and important for us to give them the things that they need to be safe and have a quality learning experience.